Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, the price update of a Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu again start pumping Shiba Inu holders. This video is a good news for all of you because once again the Shiba Inu is back in the market and now you know what guys, from yesterday the chain is completely going positive, so possibilities of a huge pump in the September month guys. Anyways guys, let's start the video guys. If you are new to my channel and if you don't subscribe my channel, so please click the subscribe button right now. The live and latest price of Shiba Inu in the market is about 0.0007 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of Shiba Inu. And furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes occurred in the Shiba Inu, so now the last 1 hour changes is about positive 0.63%, last 1 day changes is about 18.22%, in last 1 week is about negative 1.45%. So guys, you can see here just only last 1 week changes is positive, except of last 1 week, the last 1 day, last 1 hour changes is positive. Oh my god, you can see here guys, absolutely that is a quick jump occur in the Shiba Inu. As I told you guys in the start of this video, that again the Shiba Inu is ready for explosion and Shiba Inu are going to the moon guys. Holders wake up in the market, especially the short-term investor wake up. It's time to make a profit guys. Anyways guys, what you think about Shiba Inu? What is your price prediction? What is your opinion about Shiba Inu? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.